My name is Jay, and in this tutorial, I will show you how to attach a file to any SMS sending or campaign in the LabsMobile platform. Let's start from the initial screen or dashboard, which is the one you can see right now. The first step to attach a file to any sending is to access the Attachments section in the main menu on the left-hand side. On this screen, you can see all the links and existing files of your account. Then click on the Add New File or Link button and the insertion form will appear. In the first field, you should select File as Attachment Type. Then you must select or drag the file or document. You can import files up to 5 megabytes in size and of any of the allowed extensions listed in the context-sensitive help. For example, images in various formats, PNG, JPEG, GIF, and the most common documents, Excel, PDF, etc. As an example, we will import a sample image. Selecting the file will import it in a few seconds. If it has been successfully imported, a screenshot or preview and a link to cancel the import will appear. By default, the name of the imported file is assigned as the name of the attachment, but it can be customized with a more descriptive name to better identify it later. To finish, you must press Add. Once added, this new file should appear in the list with all the data entered and the short link generated, as well as the option to delete the file. It is necessary to wait for the file to be validated before using it. The validation process can take up to 10 minutes. We recommend submitting files on business days and during business hours to reduce the validation period. If a file remains pending validation for a long period of time or if it needs to be approved urgently, it will be necessary to contact the support team through the established channels. Once the file has been validated, the corresponding icon will appear in the status column, as in this case. It is advisable to access the generated short link to check that it is displayed correctly. Once the file has been successfully registered and validated, it can be added to any sending or campaign. All SMS sending forms have a selector to add short links, files, links, or landings in the text of the message. Let's see how. First, access the Send Basics section of the main menu. The file can be easily searched by name and the short link will be included in the text of a message. Now all that remains is to complete the other fields and parameters of the sending or campaign. It should be noted that by sending short links generated by the platform, such as those in the Attachments section, clicks will be monitored and can be consulted in the click history and statistics. This is very important. That's all regarding the Attach a File tutorial. Below, you can check other tutorials so that you can give the maximum potential to the SMS channel and the LabsMobile platform. Thank you for watching it.